Hello guys, it's the Gentle here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create a multi-level layer in our work. Okay, let's take for example, we are making a research work, or maybe we are creating articles, or maybe we want to format a book. Okay, so you can use this particular tutorial to help you create multi-level layer just like these ones. Okay, yes, just like this one. As you can see, chapter 1 is a sub chapter. All right, so things like that. Okay guys, so let's head straight to my screen. All right, here on my screen. Okay, so we are going to be formatting this particular section. Okay, let me just add one more. All right, so here what you are going to be doing, all you just need to do, you highlight all. Okay, then you come to this particular menu. Okay, you click on it. All right, so as you can see, these are lists of libraries of various multi-level layers. Okay, but we are not going to be using these particular ones right now, so we are going to define a new multi-level list. So I'll click on it. Yes, so this particular box is going to appear. Okay, so what we need to do, as you can see right here, there is chapter 1, yes, chapter 1 heading like that. Okay, so this is level 1, level 2, level 3, okay, level 4 up to level 9. You understand? So you can create things like this. Okay, but here what we are going to be using, most of the research work use up to level 3, like in LinkedIn they use up to level 5, I think. Okay, but let's just continue. You understand what I mean? So what you just need to do, you click on this particular one, level 1. All right, so then you come to this enter formatting for numbers. Then you remove whatever is there, delete it. All right, then you select the formats which you want your level 1 to be. Let's take for example, maybe I want mine to be in Roman numerals. Okay, so I'm going to select that. Then I'll go back to level 2. All right, so level 2, I'll do the same thing. Then I delete whatever is there, but this time around I'll come to this particular place, include level number from, because I want it to proceed. Maybe when you have 1.1, 1.2, okay, you want to have 2.1 or 2.2. You understand? So it's going to follow itself. All right, so then I'll select this level 1. Then I'll put I want to use a full stop to separate it, so you can use a hyphen or whatever I want. All right, then I'm going to define level 2. So I want level 2 to be in form of 1.1.2, like that. So I'm going to select numbers. Okay, so then I'll go to level 3. All right, so in level 3 I'll do the same thing, delete whatever is here. Okay, then I'll select level 1. all right, okay, then I'll put a full stop to separate it. Then I'll select level 2, and I'll put a full stop to separate it. Then I'm going to now define level 3. All right, so I want my level 3 to be in form of small letters. Okay, yes, as you can see, 1 point. Okay, like that. Okay, if you want to use number for yours, it is still okay. Then I'm going to click on okay here. Excellent. So as you can see, yes, okay, but we don't want this, but this is not what we want. Okay, so keep still. So let's now format this. All right, so Nigeria is a country which is in the level 1. all right, so but Abuja is a state in Nigeria. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to select this particular point, take my cursor there, and I hit on tab. All right, so as you can see, it has changed it to Roman numeral 1.1. all right, good. So Lagos is also a state, so I'm just to hit on tab. All right, as you can see, but this particular Ijebu, okay, is in Lagos, so I'm going to hit on tab twice. It's 1, 2. Okay, so it's now done. But Kaduna is is state Nigeria. I'm just going to hit on tab. All right, so you just follow the procedure like that. Los Angeles is in USA. I'm going to hit on tab. India is a state. Delhi is in India. Then I hit on tab. All right, because I want to make it level 2. All right, then Sudan, all right, is like level 1, while Khartoum is in Sudan. All right, but now let's format this. So we are going to be linking this our what's it called? These are multi-level layers, okay, to our headings. All right, we want to make it heading 1, heading 2. So what you just need to do, you can select all again. Okay, then you come back to this multi-level list. Okay, then I define the multi-level list. But before we go there, let's take for example, maybe I forget, I do a mistake and I made this one level 3, but I want to bring it back, okay, to level 2. What I just need to do, you take your cursor there and you go back to this multi-level layer, then you see change list level. So I want to change this back to level 2. As you can see, it is now back to level 2. Okay, yes, so maybe I want to change this Los Angeles to level 1. I'll just take my cursor there, come up here, change level list. So I'll just select, since I've already chosen the place, you have to change back to level 1. As you can see, Los Angeles is now back to level 1. All right, so now the prior point which I was talking about, we want to link this our layers to our heading. Okay, so all you just need to do, you select all, right? So then you come to this place again, then you choose multi-level lists. Okay, so here on your own screen you might see something like more here. Just click on it, select that more. You're going to see this particular section. So we want to be linking this level to the headings. Okay, so I'm going to select level 1. Okay, then I'll choose link to style, link level to style. Okay, I want to leave it to level 1. Okay, so then I'll go to level 2, link it to heading 2. Okay, level 3, I'll link it to heading 3, like that. Okay, then I'll click on OK. All right, yes. So let's take also we want to maybe put some writing in front of this 1.2. Maybe we want to make a chapter. Okay, chapter 1, chapter 2. What you just need to do, just go back there, go back to multi-level layer. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is 1, this is 2, this is, so we'll go to our level 1. Then in front, behind level 1, maybe we can just write chapter. Okay, a chapter, your chapter, Roman number 1. Okay, and I click on OK. Alright, you can see chapter 1, chapter 2. Okay, and if you don't want that later there, it's still okay. You can go back, find it. Okay, then, but it's very, very important. We need that there. Okay, all right. Okay, we need that particular, because it's what is defining it. Okay, yes. So this is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. All right, so let's now format this font. Okay, font colors. What you just need to do, since these are headings. Okay, so you go to your heading 1, we click on modify heading. So our heading 1, we want to make it black. Okay, and we want to make it bold. We want the font to be thin. Yes. Okay, I want it to let it centralize. Okay, let it be in the center. You can put a line. Okay, then go to format. Let's say we want to format the spacing. Okay, so you can do all the spacing here. All right, if you don't want to do it from here, you can see things like this, centered, left, right. Okay, so you can put margin before, you can put margin after, okay, so the margin before is 12, the margin after is 0, right? So I'm going to click on it, okay. I'm going to click on OK. As you can see, this has shifted to the medium, okay. Yes. So let's say maybe we want to also format this one. We'll just go to heading 2, click on modify, okay. You can also change the name if you want. You can give it a name. All right. So I want it to be black as well, and I want it to be. I don't want it to be bold. Let me leave it at 14. Okay. Then I think I'm on level 3. Yes. If I'm on level 3, I'll pick level 2. Okay. Modify. So I'm now on level 2. So next, I want to make it 14. All right. So okay, I want to put it at the left. Okay. I don't want it making bold. I don't want to underline it. So you can come here to format. Okay. You can want to format the paragraph. Okay. And change more formatting here. Okay. I click on OK. As you can see, yeah, formatting has changed. Right. So I want to go to heading 3. I'll click on modify. Okay. I want to make it black. Heading 3. And just give it a name. And 3. And that's it. I want to make it font. I want to make it 12. I want to make it bold. Let's click on. Okay. All right. So after that, always remember L3. Okay. You update, right? Yes. Okay, because I selected this one, so let me click up. Yes. All right. So don't forget, whenever I make a change, you click on update heading to marked section. All right. Yes. So now let's take, for example, maybe you want to get a shortcut instead of we just selecting heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. All right. Let's maybe you just write something. Okay. All right. So let's say maybe we don't want to start selecting this. We have a bulk of work, but we just want to give it command. All right. So what you just need to do, you go to that heading. Let's say maybe like let's say heading 1, for example. Okay. All right. I click on modify. Okay. So I'll come here to format. Okay. So I'm going to give it a shortcut key. All right. So I may run this one. This one was there initially. So maybe let me give it a shortcut key. I'm going to give it a shortcut key now. Control +1. Okay. So now this is my shortcut key. So whenever I select that part and I click Control 1, it's going to convert it to a heading 1. Okay. I'm going to assign this now. As you can see, the current key is now on this. I'll close on this. I'll click on OK. So now watch me. So I'll just take my cursor there. Again, I'll just select like that. Then I click on Control 1. All right. So I've now given this particular heading a shortcut. Okay. Yes. So whenever I write something and I just want to convert it to heading very quick, Control +1 like that. Okay. Yes. So you can do the same thing for all of them. All right. So let me see. To make forgetting again. You can do all for all these. And okay, let's take for example these spaces. Okay, you can see the space. Let me change this to left. Okay, so let's say the space between here is so small. You can do it in 2 ways. Okay, you can just take your cursor there, then you can do like this if you want. Okay, let's say you have a bulk load of work, right? You can do like that. Then you click on right click again, updates. Okay, so it will update all of them, right? But if you don't want to do this method, you select that header, you go to header like this, you click on modify. Okay, they come here, you click on formats. All right, they click on paragraph, right? So to the left is a 2.5 centimeter. Okay, yes. So if I increase it, as you can see, it is increasing. It's increasing. If I decrease it, you can see there's the trace. Okay, then you click on OK. Click on OK. You can see these are shifted here. All right. Yes. So that is how basically you can create a multi-level layer. All right, guys. So this is the end of this session, and hope this was helpful. If you find this helpful, you can share this video to someone who might need it. Okay, and if you like it, you can click on the like button, and if you are new to our channel, you can click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Alright guys, see you in the next one, and peace.